Good afternoon. I just wanted to give a review on this one. I bought it on Amazon for $85, $83 including shipping. Okay, I finally got my smooth cue and I'm basically using this one. I got the smooth cue because you can actually use it for your phone and your GoPro cameras. Now, for me, I'm gonna basically use it for my GoPro. So as you could show you guys how I want mine. Here you go. Right. That's a nice case, nice hard case when you're traveling. The only thing I don't like is it's pretty huge. So there you go. This is how I mount my GoPro on this one. Others, they put the battery pack on the back so that you don't press the setting button. For me, it's okay because it doesn't show that it's pressing the button anyways. So I'm just doing it like this. And I also have this rubber band just to hold it in place. Gimbal. I'm basically using this gimbal for my GoPro, and when using the GoPro, it's hard to balance it. It just goes this way. It's always heavy this side. If you use the carry case, the waterproof case on your GoPro, it will come balanced, but the sound is not pretty good. So what I've found is a keychain, like a metal keychain that I put over here, which basically levels the gimbal without turning it on, which is pretty good. It's better you take it that way because if you don't balance it properly, you'll just use your battery faster because the motor's gonna keep on balancing the gimbal. But it's a 12-hour battery on this one, which you can use it to power your GoPro as well. Alright guys, Zach just woke up, so we'll include him on the video. Hey, nice hair, buddy. Alright guys, back in reviewing this gimbal, I found another way. Before I was putting this metal keychain right inside and it kind of pressed the settings button on my Hero 4, and then I tried putting it on the bottom and it just doesn't look like balanced properly, so I put it way outside over here, and there you go. See how it's balanced without turning on the gimbal. Alright, someone's there, go check. I think it's mom. Alright, ciao.